Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where you can't share a story on Instagram or you can't share a post to your Instagram story. Now, there's a couple ways to fix this. The very first thing I'm going to show you is how to even share a post in the first place. So in this specific case, I just went over to Kim Kardashian's Instagram page, whatever, and the process to share a post, if you go and click here, you'll see right next to the like button and the comment button, there's this little paper plane, which is the share button. So you want to go ahead and click on that. A little pop-up will come up like this, and you'll see this little option that says add to your story. So what you want to do is you want to click on the add to your story option, and then it'll pretty much allow you to share it to your story. So that is the process to actually do that. Now, why is it not working? The very first and the most common reason this actually isn't working for you probably is because the specific user is a private user. So if you have a private account, you won't be able to share that specific private account to your story. So if you're sharing somebody else's account, or I think even if you have a private account, something like that, you may not get this little share icon. If that ends up being the case, then there's nothing you can do. You can possibly screenshot this, post and post it on your story if you like. But even then, I probably won't recommend it because that user's probably gonna get mad at you or something. But that's pretty much the main way to do it, is to take a picture of it and then tag that user. But the main reason that's not happening is because possibly that user is a private user in the first place. Now, let's say that's not the issue and that doesn't seem to be the problem. Well, maybe you just have to update your Instagram account. So what that means is you basically go to your app store, whether the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, whatever, you search up Instagram, and then you find the Instagram app, and you go ahead and update to it. Now, in my specific case, that's exactly all I had to do. For some reason, I was on a super outdated version of Instagram. So by updating to one of the more recent versions of Instagram, you'll pretty much be set. So you want to click update, you'll pretty much be able to update the application, and then you're going to be good for the most part. So those are the main ways to fix it from what I've seen. That's what I've done, and that's probably what's going to fix it for you too. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.